is drawing near. The golden plains grow soft and deep. It's time to close your eyes and sleep. A gentle elephant, calm and slow, moves through grass where cool winds blow. Each quiet step, a steady guide, carrying dreams along his side. The lions rest on warming stone. The king and queen in moonlight's tone. Their tiny cubs breathe soft and low, wrapped in a nighttime amber glow. Striped zebras stand in peaceful light, silver falling on black and white. Their sleepy breath drifts through the air, a hush of calmness everywhere. Tall giraffes beneath the sky let starlight shimmer as they sigh. Their low hum floats from high above, a quiet blanket made of love. Monkeys settle in their trees, rocked by soft and drifting breeze. No chatter now, just gentle rest in leafy cradles, warm and nest. By the river, still and deep, crocodiles slide into sleep. Tiny bubbles rise and gleam, a slow moonlit floating dream. Cheetahs curl in yellow grass, letting all their swiftness pass. Their glowing coats, once bright with day, now dim to dusk and melt away. Hippos hum in waters cool, moonlight trembling on the pool. Ripples rock like lullaby tides, where every quiet moment hides. Rhinos breathe a steady sigh, soft as clouds in a drifting sky. Heavy hearts grow gentle too, wrapped in night's embracing blue. And far across the peaceful plain, the thundering hooves grow still again. The whole wide savanna, calm and deep, whispers softly, sleep, sleep, sleep. So close your eyes, little hearts so bright, let dreams unfold in the velvet night. Zazzy and Zula whisper low, the savanna sings. You're safe, let go. Good night, dear ones. Good